afternoon students, welcome to English grammar class. In previous class we have discussed about the adjective and kinds of adjective. Here we learned in the previous class that the definition of adjective. The definition of adjective is which modifies the noun or pronoun. Which modifies the noun or pronoun. Don't confuse that. Adjective means which is going to be modified with the noun. Noun, you know what's the meaning of noun? Noun can be said as a naming word, and pronoun, it is used instead of noun. So here adjective means it's going to modify noun or pronoun. I have given one example in previous class. Rita is beautiful and she is beautiful. Here we have understood that Rita is a noun, is helping verb, she is pronoun, then what is beautiful? ब्यूटीफुल रीटा के बारे, रीटा कैसा है बोल के बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. रीटा बहुत ही सुंदर लड़की है. रीटा इज ब्यूटीफुल. सो दिस ब्यूटीफुल इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज एडजेक्टिव. इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज एडजेक्टिव. शी इज ब्यूटीफुल. बोथ द मीनिंग ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज इट्स गोइंग टू मॉडिफाई नाउन और pronoun, we can say pronoun which is used instead of noun. So here some 6 types of adjective are there. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. 6 kinds they have made. 6 types they have made. Let us discuss first what is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. The definition shows that which describes noun and pronoun by answering what kind it is. Adjective of quality it is going to be shown here. What kind of teacher you are, means you are kind-hearted or very strict. It's going to show what kind you are. तुम कैसे हो? This is adjective of quality. Let's have one example. Kirti is a good surfer. She is quick. Kirti is good and quick. See here what we are going to tell about the Kirti. Kirti is good and quick. वो अच्छी भी है and हर काम बहुत ही जल्दी से कर देती है. She is quick, fast we can say. कीर्ति कैसी है बोल के बता रहे. That is what type of Kirti is called as adjective of quality. I have given you one example. How the teacher was. Whether she is kind or strict, very strict with the students. It is going to show what kind of teacher is. So that is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. उसके क्वालिटी के बारे में बता रहे हैं. For example, some material is there, sugar is there. How the sugar is? Any material you take, what quality it has? For example, paper is there. Paper की quality कैसे है? It is good or in a bad or in a worse condition. Paper के quality के बारे में बता रहे. Paper, is it a noun? Yes, paper is noun. For all the papers, it is common noun or proper noun. For every paper, in the papers also there is a classification. Every paper we are going to call paper. So paper is a noun. So वो पेपर कैसा बोल के डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, दैट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी, वी कैन से एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. The next comes adjective of quantity. You know the difference between quality and quantity. Quantity means how much. How much you are making the sugar? 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. How much notebooks you are taking? 5, 6. What kind of papers are there? What kind of notebook are there? That is adjective of quality. How much notebooks you are taking? Which one we are going to use? How much? How much notebook you are taking? 3, 4, 5, 6. It may be any number we can say. How much you are taking? That is adjective of quantity. Second one, adjective of quantity. What kind of notebooks are there? That is adjective of quality. नोटबुक की क्वालिटी कैसा है बोल के बताना ही नोटबुक इज अ नेम. Are you understanding my point? Notebook is a name. It's a noun. Here, how the notebook is adjective of quality, and how many notebooks you are taking, that is adjective of quantity. You know the difference between quality and quantity. So, how much describes noun and pronoun by answering how much. Please add a little salt in the soup. Please add little salt in the soup. For example, you are drinking soup. So what you are telling? Please add little salt. What is this little? Little. Here it is going to describe the quantity. कितना होना आपको सूप में salt? Little. थोड़ा बहुत ही होना वहां पे. Not one. They are not telling 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon. They are telling only little. Little salt is going to be added in a soup. Please add little salt in the soup. One more example. There is enough rice left for dinner. There is enough rice left for dinner. For example, we are having a dinner. Enough rice is there. Here, adjective of quantity, which one is telling enough? बहुत सारे हैं वहां पे rice. बहुत rice है. Little salt, then lot of rice. This is adjective of quantity. We are discussing adjective of quantity. Little you want salt in the soup, little one, and enough rice is there for the dinner. बहुत राइस है डिनर के लिए, थोड़ा बहुत सॉल्ट होना सूप में. जिस थोड़ा एंड बहुत is going to be called as adjective of quantity. I hope you understood the difference between quality and quantity. Quantity, which specific word we are going to use here? How much? How much rice is left? Enough rice is there for the dinner. How much salt you want a soup? In a soup, little salt I want in a soup. Okay. Third one, adjective of number. Adjective of number. You all know this also. Adjective of number. Number means again the word is how many. How many? One example. I ate 10 samosa today. I ate 10 samosa I ate 10 samosa today. Here we are going to have a specific number. In the adjective of quantity, how much we are going to check, there is no specific number. I told you. We don't want 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of salt. No. They want a little salt and lot of rice is there. Enough rice is left. But here in the third adjective, that is adjective of number, they are describing a particular number. कितने समोसा खाए मैं आज? आज मैं 10 समोसे खाए. I have not eaten any samosa, but I am giving you an example. I ate 10 samosa today. Number has been prescribed here. How many samosa I ate? I ate 10 samosa. I ate 10 samosa. He was the fifth person whom we stopped for direction. He was the fifth person. Here also we are telling the exact number. By the name only we can say adjective of number means here we are going to specify specific numbers. Fifth person he is. No need to explain much about this. Because adjective of number means you can understand. Here they are going to describe about the exact number. 10, 5th, 4th we can say I have 10 pens. I have 10 pens. The next demonstrative adjective. Next comes 4th one, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective means describes noun and pronoun by answering the question which. One example, Nikhil got this book for his birthday. Nikhil got this book. Nikhil got this book for his birthday. Here what is our definition? Describes adjective, demonstrative adjective. Describes noun and pronoun by answering the question which. By answering the question, इसका question किससे start होना? Which से start होना? For that we are giving a answer. Nikhil got this book for his birthday. Which book he got for his birthday? The question is, which book Nikhil got for his birthday? Nikhil got this book. Nikhil got this book for his birthday. It's going to show the which one. Which one? That is demonstrative adjective. Describes noun and pronoun by answering the question. The question is which. Let us see one more example. Those girls are part of the school hockey team. Those girls are part of hockey team. Those girls are part of the school hockey team. Which girls are part of hockey team? Here the question arises is which girls are part of hockey team we can say. Which girls? Means those girls, those who are playing in the playground. They all belongs to the school hockey team we can say. The question arises with which girls, which book we can say. That is demonstrative adjective. Next comes interrogative adjective. You all know that interrogative means the concept should be clear that questionnaire. Interrogative means questionnaire. Here no need to explain much. Interrogative adjective means questions. Noun or pronoun which relates with the questions. Use noun and pronoun to ask question. Which animal can run the fastest? Which animal can run the fastest? Here which is interrogative adjective? Which? Here interrogative adjective means questions. कौन सा एनिमल है जो बहुत ही फास्ट, कैन रन फास्ट, बहुत ही फास्ट भाग सकता हो? कौन सा एनिमल? कौन सा एनिमल मीन्स which animal is related to the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. No need to discuss much about this. The last one is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? Used with nouns and pronouns to show a possession. It is going to describe about a person. We will discuss with one example. My poster won the first prize. I will write the example here. My poster won the first prize. Here किसके बारे में बता रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे? We are going to tell about the my poster. It's going to show the possession of a my poster के बारे में बता रहे हैं. मेरा पोस्टर क्या है? It won the first prize. It won the first prize. Then your sister was looking for you. Your sister was looking for you. Your sister was looking for you. तुम्हारे बहन तुमको ढूंढ रहे. Then it is going to process about the sister. Your sister looking for you. These are all the six kinds of adjective. That is first one, adjective of quality. Quality means we can say what kind it is. What kind it is. It is good or weak. Adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Means how much. Little, less, least, we can say. Adjective of number means exactly it is going to show the number. Demonstrative adjective means it's related with the which. The question arises with the which. Then interrogative adjective, no doubt interrogative adjective means questionnaire sentences. Possessive adjective means it's going to show about something. In the first example, it's going to show about the poster. Then here, some of the confusing pairs are there. What is that? Some of the confusing pairs, that is, for which we are going to call little and a little, few and a few, some and any, much, many. First one, little. Here we have used, please add little salt in a soup. Then what is the difference between little and a little? I want a little your pen. Here little we are going to use commonly. A little is going to be used as a specific. थोड़ी देर के लिए आपका पेन मुझे होना हो, पेन के बारे में ही बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Specifically we are talking about a pen. Some and any. Some means some of the students are absent to the class. Any student has not done homework. You know the difference between some and any. Interesting and interested. What is the difference between interesting and interested? I am very interested in listening music. I am very interested in listening music. I am very interested in playing the piano. Then shocked, shocking, like the same as and annoyed and annoying, amazing, bored and boring. These are all the concepts you are going to be confused somewhere. So be careful about this. Few as a little and a little, few and a few, much and many. These are all the confusing pairs we can say. Confusing pairs. So next we will discuss some of the, you have to find out the adjectives. Here is a passage. So read this one and identify which are the words related to adjective. Which are the words related to adjective. Oceans are vast, bustling and beautiful. Although most of the planets is caused with water, we have little information about the underwater world. David Gallo is an American oceanographer. Then he and his team have developed high definition cameras to capture the strange creatures who live miles below surface. There is an astonishing range of terrains at the bottom of the ocean, yet it has deep value. So this is a paragraph. Here oceans are vast. Again ocean is noun. Whether it is common noun or proper noun. Ocean is a common noun because for all the oceans we are going to call ocean. Ocean is a noun. Oceans are vast. Oceans कैसा है? Oceans बहुत ही vast है बोल के बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So it's going to tell about the ocean. Ocean के बारे में बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Noun के बारे में बता रहे. So noun के बारे में बता रहे means it's an adjective. Vast and puzzling. It's very puzzled. It is also telling about the ocean and beautiful. कैसा है ocean? It's very vast, puzzling and beautiful. 3 words are described with the ocean. So beautiful is also adjective, puzzling is also adjective, and vast is also adjective. Although most of the planet, उसमें से planets is, we have learnt in the previous class, planets are also noun. Most of the planets, उसमें से थोड़े बहुत planets. Most is also telling about the, is also adjective. Most of the planet is covered with water. We have little information about the underwater. Underwater के बारे में हमको बहुत थोड़ा जानकारी है. Underwater. There is water underwater. We know that water is noun. Underwater. So it's water का description, modification, underwater. So underwater is also adjective. Underwater is also adjective. David Gallo. We know that David Gallo is a name. Any name can be called as noun. We all know that any name can be called as noun. So David Gallo is an American. डेविड गैलो के बारे में क्या बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे? डेविड गैलो अमेरिकन है. So if it's going to tell about a noun means American is also adjective. American oceanographer, to study about the ocean. He and his team have developed high definition, means they are searching very much in the, he and his team. He is a pronoun. He and his team. Team is also noun. Team is also noun. मीन्स कि इनके बारे में बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. डेवलप्ड हाई डेफिनेशन मीन्स दे आर इन अ वेरी हाई पोजिशन इन सर्चिंग अबाउट द डेप्थ ऑफ द ओशियन और स्टडिंग अबाउट द ओशियन. Cameras to high definition cameras to capture the strange creatures. Again, creatures are noun. Any creature, so it is common noun or proper noun? Common noun. It may be any creature. So creature is also a noun. Strange, oh creature कैसा है? They are telling that the creature is strange. So strange is adjective. Are you going to believe? So strange is also adjective. Then there is an astonishing range of terrains. It is a word of ocean. There is an astonishing range of terrains. Terrains कैसा है? They are very astonishing, very surprising. At the bottom of ocean. At the bottom of the ocean, not top of the ocean. We are going to find so many creatures in the bottom of the ocean. There is an astonishing range of terrains at the bottom of the ocean. And it has deep valley. Again, valley is noun. When if it is going to modify with the valley it's going to be called as adjective. वो valley कैसा है? It's a deep valley. So we will read out once again all the words. That is most underwater planet.